Which of the following can be written as a difference of reciprocals of two consecutive integers? So if one integer was x, the consecutive one, the next one would be x plus 1. And the reciprocal will be 1 over x. And the reciprocal of x plus 1 would be 1 over x plus 1. And I want to find the difference. So I'd have to get a common denominator of x plus 1 minus x plus 1. So this needs to be x plus 1. And this needs to be x. And if you subtract, those x's will cancel, and you're left with 1 over x plus 1. So that's the format right there. So I can cross out b and d because you do not have a 1 in the numerator. And if I look at these other ones, let's look at the factors in the denominator have to be consecutive. Well, 24 is 2 times 12, not consecutive. 3 times 8, nope. 4 times 6, not consecutive. If I go down to C, that would be 3 times 15, not consecutive. 9 times 5, not consecutive. Let's look at the 1 over 72. That is 8 times 9. Those are consecutive. Your answer is E.